Today I have got something really interesting to unbox. It's supposed to be Chinese B560 motherboard, so let's take it out and take a look what I have got in there. Immediately we can see that the more expensive motherboards Chinese are packing much better. This plastic wrap or bubble wrap is a much more secure option than what we have with the Chinese cheap X79 and X99 motherboards. So here it is, MAXSUN B560M 3 years warranty, and this is supposed to be B560M Challenger. Let's open the box and see what we have got inside. Here is some sort of a barcode, which has some sort of a sticker, which I'm not sure why it is sticked out. But let's see what we have here. Starting off with some useless manual in Chinese. Maybe it actually has some useful information, but most likely very basic useless stuff. Then we have got SATA cable, I/O shield, some M.2 small screws, which is nice, and the motherboard shall be over here. Yes, here is the motherboard itself. I really hope it didn't get any damage during transportation. Let me take it out from the anti-static bag and then we will see the motherboard itself. Here it comes. I'm gonna try to focus. Yeah, now the focus is much better and we can see the motherboard. So the motherboard comes with just single PCI Express X16 slot, but it is supposed to be metal reinforced. Then we have one PCI Express X1, one M.2 and second M.2. I don't know if these are NVMe or SATA or they support both. Then we have only two memory slots, which are DDR4, of course. Here we have 4 SATA ports, and here is one more. This is a very weird location, but 5 is better than 4, I guess. USB 3, USB 2, I think this is USB 2 as well. Then we have debug LED, COM port, audio, and the front panel headers are over here. On the I/O side, what do we have here? 4 USB 3, 2 USB 2, Ethernet, audio exits, and 3 video outputs, HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA, also 2 Ps2. Seems like Chinese really love these Ps2 ports. What's surprising is that we have quite some fan connectors. So 4-pin fan connector here and 2 more here and also 1 more here. This is unexpectedly many compared to the Chinese X79 and X99 motherboards. Here is some interesting connector. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it is clear Cmos, maybe something like that. But what's surprising is that motherboard comes with a battery. Usually Chinese are removing batteries when they ship, but this one came to me with the battery. Here is a clear Cmos button, and this is supposed to be something, not sure. This says some protect. I'm not sure what this is doing, but some other jumper to investigate. Okay, let me put it down and open the socket and take a look if there are any damaged pins, because when you buy motherboard from China, you always have to validate if there are any dead or damaged pins. Seems like there is no damage, at least I don't see any damage, and hopefully there is no damage. I'm gonna try to refocus again. So now it is visible a bit better. Seems like socket is in perfect condition. No visible damage at least. Let me carefully close it back. For testing the motherboard, right now I have got only one CPU, which is Core i3-10100F, but if the motherboard is anyhow decent, I will buy 11th Gen CPU with the iGPU, so I can also test the video outputs. Of course, I'm also going to check the VRAM. At least it seems to be more decent than what we have on Chinese X79 and X99 boards, but you never know. The VRAM radiator is also rather big, so I have hopes that this motherboard might be at least semi-decent. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, bye bye.